guys, in today's Python video, like our tuple series has been started, and this is a third video of tuples. And today's video I am telling about the update tuples. Like in the previous video we learned about access list, access tuples items. In today's video we are learning about update tuples. So let's see how to update the tuples. So now please hit the like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also so you never miss our latest future videos. So now I do not take a long time, so let's move to computer screen and let's learn about how to update the tuples in Python. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling you of the update tuples. Like our tuple series has been started, and this is our second video of our tuples. Third video. Like in the previous video, we learned about the access tuple items. So in today's video, we are learning about the update tuple items. So let's start and let's update the tuples. So let's start. So first of all, you must know what are tuples. So tuples are unchangeable. Means like if you made a tuple once a time, so you will never change his never change that tuple. Okay, like tuple are not unchangeable. Meaning that you cannot change, add or remove items when the tuple is created. Okay, but there are some workarounds. Change tuple values. If you don't know how to change the tuple value, so let me tell you how to create it, how to change it. Once a tuple is created, you cannot change its values. Tuples are unchangeable or immutable, and as it's also it's called. But there is a workaround. You can convert the tuple into a list. Okay, convert tuple into a list, and you change the list and convert the list back into a tuple. Let me give you one example. Here's one example. In this example, we are convert the tuple into a list to be able to change it, like that. Here you can see it. When we copy it, and when I go on my Visual Studio Code, when we go on to the Visual Studio Code, let me make one file by the name of here tuples.py. Let me make this file in my documents, and this type of pop-up has been shown like tuples.py file already exists. Do you want to replace it? So this means like your tuples.py file has been already made it, so you want to replace it or make or change the file name. I'm replacing it because in that file there is not any important work in my that file, so that's why I'm pressing yes. If there is your important work, so please press the no. Okay, so now when I paste this code and when I save it and run it, so it gives me like apple, kiwi and cherry. Okay, like that. Why it is not giving me banana? Because like I have told you, I have told you, like tuples are unchangeable. But what I will do, so the tuple has been changed because in the third line of code, the apple has index 0. You must know these things. The apple has index 0, and then here I write like y variable, and in the square brackets I write like 1 because banana has index 1. Then I say to the third line of code in the I say the Python to replace the banana with kiwi. Then it give me kiwi. If I say here 0, so then it give me kiwi, banana and cherry because apple has index 0, so that's why. Where is that? Like that. Okay, add items. Since tuples are immutable, they do not have a built-in append method, but there are other ways to add items to a tuple. Other ways. Okay, first way is you convert into a list, just like the workaround for changing a tuple. You can convert it into a list or add your items and convert it back into a tuple. Like this one example. In this example, we are convert the tuple into a list and then add orange and then convert it into a into a tuple. In this example, okay. Let me save it, and then so it give me like here, save it. Okay, it is not giving me output because I do not write here print section. If I write like print, okay, I'm not writing the print. It is just for example. In this example, in the first line of code, I make one tuple by the name of this tuple, and then I write here apple, banana, then cherry, and then in the second line of code, I convert this tuple into a list, and then in the third line of code, I say y append method. You all know what is the append method. In the many videos I told you about the append method. Then I write here orange, means apple, banana, cherry and orange. Then in the fourth line of code, I changed the list into a tuple. Okay, so then it will be then it will be made it a tuple again. Okay, so that like that you can do it very easily. Yes. Number two is you add a tuple to a tuple. You are allowed to add tuples to tuples. So if you want to add one item or many, create a new tuple with items and add it to the exiting tuple. Let me give you one example. If you create a new tuple with a value orange and add that tuple, so you wrote like that. So here you can see it, apple, banana, cherry and orange is coming, but how? In the first line of code I write like only apple, banana and cherry, because in the second line of code I write like here y, then here I like equals to orange. Then I write here that this tuple plus equals to y, means merge the tuple with this y, then it give me orange. Okay, like that you can do it. Note that when you are creating a tuple with only one item, remember to include a comma after the item, otherwise it will be not identified as a tuple. Remove items. How to remove items? Note that you cannot remove items in a tuple, okay? Because tuples are unchangeable, so you cannot remove items from it. But you can use the same workaround as we use for changing and adding tuple items. Let me give you one example. In this example, we are convert the tuple into a list and remove apple and convert it back into a tuple. Let me show you how to. So first of all, you copy this code and when you paste it, so in this code, I write here, I make one tuple by the name of this tuple, and this tuple I write like three items like apple, banana, cherry, and then in the second line of code, I write like y. Then I write here list, means I converted tuple into the list, and then in the third line of code, I say to the Python, remove the apple using the remove method. Then the apple has been removed. Then in the fourth line of code, I converted list into the tuple again. Then when I save it and run it, so it give me banana and cherry. Okay, so it is not running because I do not write print function, and you all know that print function is often used to output the values or items. So that's why. Now, or you can delete the tuple completely. If you delete the tuple completely, so let me tell you how. The del key in this example, the del keyword can delete the tuple completely. In this example, let me show you how. Let me save it and run it. So sorry, let me paste this code. And in this code, first of all, I define our tuple by the name of this tuple. And in this tuple, I write like three items: apple, banana, and cherry. And then in the second line of code, I write like del keyword. Del keyword means like it removes the completely tuple. Then here I write like del keyword in the space. Then I write here this tuple. Then I write like this tuple. Okay. Then I save it and run it. Then it give you the error, because this will raise an error because the tuple no longer exists. Okay, tuple is no longer exists. So that's why it is giving you the error. Okay. So here you can see it. In today's video, I told you about what are in the Python what are update tuples. So I hope your concept will be clear about that. So please hit a like button, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also to never miss our latest future videos. So now I'm using next lesson, next very amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.